Hi, so following on from yesterday when I finished the clay bar on the car, today I'm going to use this stuff here, double speed wax. Comes as a little kit with the application sponge and a microfiber cloth to wipe it off with, and some instructions about how to apply it. Pretty much apply it, leave it for a few minutes, buff it off. So going to see what that does with the car. It's looking really good. Got it in the garage. This is after just the clay bar, so it's hopefully all decontaminated. Put it in last night, and going to do a panel at a time. Probably just start with this rear right quarter panel. Just take my time over it. Got it in the garage, so it's quite cold outside today as opposed to yesterday. It was really warm. Probably ideal conditions to wax. Yesterday it was just too hot, I think, to try to wax. Probably would have just dried really quickly. So this should be good. Yeah, so looking good sitting in the garage. Just got it at an angle so that I can get all around it. You may notice there is a driver in the car, a 2-year-old, who's decided that she's going to help out. Not sure how, but sure we'll figure it out. So let's make a start. So I'm just using a cotton t-shirt, just giving it a wipe over, even though the car's clean. It's been in the garage since yesterday. Just make sure there's no dust on it before I start waxing. That's fine for that, there's nothing on there. Got some on the pad, just going to put a bit there. So as you can see, just leaves a bit of a, just lightly apply it. Circular motions, as per instructions. So it's leaving a bit of wax there, so you can see that. And then we'll leave it for a few minutes. I think it's about 5 minutes. Just do the whole panel, leave it, and then buff it off. So it's been about 5 minutes that I've left this wax on for. As you can see the swirls on there just from the application. Now I'll buff it off, see what it looks like. So this is the untreated door. On this car, there are a few knocks. Obviously you can see a dent there. Unfortunate, but I'm not intending to really spend any more on doing that. There's a tiny little dent there. It's got a few scratches around it, but that's just part and parcel. It's a 15-year-old car, so that's expected. There are some stone chips, so it's just really a case of polishing it and preserving it as it is. So overall looks really good anyway. I think just putting the wax on, give it good protection is good. It's got like a slight knock there, I don't think it's coming out. But overall should come out good. So here we go, here's a microfiber cloth that came with the Bilt Hamber kit. Just give it a polish, see what it looks like. Just lightly going over it. It's got a little bit of resistance. I guess that's just the tackiness of the wax. So I've finished buffing off that panel. I think it's come out really good. I've just got a LED floodlight just to really get into it, but I think it doesn't really work on the video, just to see what the impact is. It's looking really nice visually to me. I know there's some inherent scratches, very minor. I guess it probably needs like a DA polisher to do that. I don't have one of those. May try one in the future, but I think for a quick wax, obviously especially after the clay bar, I think that's made a hell of a lot of difference to the car. Just doing that alone really has made the paint work stand out, but the wax is just, I think it's just giving it a nice sheen. It's difficult to tell the difference. So the door hasn't been done yet, but this panel has, but it has got the additional gloss to it, gloss or just a bit of a sheen to it to help protect it. So that's going quite well, and I'll do more as I progress. So I've left the door to buff up, as you can see. It's ready now for wiping down. So we'll see how that compares to the panel that's already done. So again, just using the microfiber that came with the wax, just gently going over it. As I say, it does feel as though it sticks a bit, but I guess that's the nature of the wax anyway. It's a little bit sticky, but then it wipes off quite easily. And there you go. So let's continue that, the rest of the door. So just put wax on half of the bonnet, as you can see on the left hand side. The right is untreated at the moment. Just going to experiment to see if it's noticeable. If I give this a couple of minutes on the left hand side, polish it off, see what it looks like, see if there's a notable difference. Might be difficult, obviously with silver cars, can't always tell, also lighting, but yeah, so a bit of a play. I've buffed off the left side now. There's a mark just there, that's just on the left hand turn, you just see the difference between the polished side and the unpolished side. Difficult to really tell the difference. There is a bit more of a sheen to the side that's got the wax on. The right side, if you remember, has just been clay barred, so there's absolutely no protection on there at present. But I think when you rub your hand over it, it's much more smoother, although it's smooth anyway after the clay bar. But yeah, hopefully it just gives a bit more protection.
Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. Feel free to comment or add any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.